हेलो बच्चों, सो लेट्स गो थ्रू दिस क्वेश्चन। इस क्वेश्चन में हमें पूछा है कि ई नॉट इज इक्वल टू आर टी बाई एन एफ एल एन के इक्विलिब्रियम दिस इज कॉल्ड। ओके, तो ये जो रिलेशनशिप है दिस इज एक्चुअली द फाइनल रिजल्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर डेरिवेशन, राइट। तो वो डेरिवेशन हमें पता होनी चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू डिटरमाइन व्हाट इज दिस इक्वेशन। क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जैसे मान लो ई नॉट वाला जो है, ई नॉट वाला इक्वेशन होता क्या है। We know that we have an equation which is E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q, right? This is what? This is our Nernst equation, okay? तो ये हमारा Nernst equation है and we can see there are some similarities between these two equations. यहाँ पे बस ये हुआ है कि somehow this E, या तो ये हुआ होगा कि E की वैल्यू 0 हो गई है and therefore E naught यहाँ आ गया and we have got something like E naught is equal to RT NF ln Q, right? और ये Q has been replaced by K equilibrium. So this is what we have to define here, right? Because this equation is almost similar to the Nernst equation. Let's see how we got this, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि सबसे पहले लेट्स से इफ वी हैव अ इक्वेशन ए प्लस बी gives C plus DD, where ये जो A B C D है they are the stoichiometric coefficients and we have these reactants and these products respectively. तो यहाँ पे Q will be equal to the equilibrium constant, right? Q will be when, we have to determine when, right? तो क्या होगा कि ये जो Q है उसे ये K equilibrium बनाने के लिए, K equilibrium is our equilibrium constant, right? ये बनाने के लिए ये तभी होगा जब potential difference is no longer present in the reaction, right? मतलब ये जो E है it has to go to zero, this potential difference, okay? तो तभी ऐसा होगा कि ln Q will be converted into ln K equilibrium. और ऐसा कब होगा, राइट? ऐसा कब होगा हमें ये पता करना है। तो एक ऐसा स्टेज आएगा जब कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ऑल द स्पीसीज जो इन्वॉल्व है रिएक्शन में दे विल बी ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन, राइट? जब उनकी कंसंट्रेशन इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन पे आ जाएगी तब सेल पोटेंशियल विल बी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, राइट? या मान लो अगर हमारा कंसंट्रेशन सेल होगा तो उसमें वी हैव द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वैल्यू एज ज़ीरो, right? And when this becomes 0, then we will have E naught minus RT NF ln. As at 0, we have Q is equal to K equilibrium, right? क्योंकि Q is our, let's say, how we can write as Q? C का power C, मतलब reactants or multiplication of the product of products to the power their stoichiometric coefficient upon reactants का concentration, right? So this will be equal to K equilibrium, which will be given by C equilibrium C D equilibrium D. मतलब equilibrium concentrations की बात की जा रही है। हम लोगों ने just देखा था कि equilibrium concentration पे ही the concentration cell or the potential difference would be zero. So this Q can be now replaced by K equilibrium, right? So there, that is how we got this equation, which is ln K equilibrium. So this is nothing but our Nernst equation only. So we can say that this is one form of Nernst equation in which we have a relationship of standard potential with K equilibrium. So this will be our final solution. Nernst equation will be the correct option.
Can we say that the other options are not correct? Because we know Gibbs equation is delta G is equal to delta H minus T del S, which is not this equation, and we cannot obtain this equation by using this equation, right? Then we have Gibbs Helmholtz equation. Cannot be obtained by this one. Why? Because Gibbs Helmholtz equation is given by dabba by dabba T GT, right? Dabba by, actually, dabba G by dabba T at constant pressure is equal to G minus H upon T, right? So this we cannot make this equation to this one. Also, we have van der Waals equation E plus an square upon v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT. Therefore, this is the only equation which can be converted to K equilibrium and we can have this equation. So this is the final answer. Thank you.